Hey guys, good morning to you all. So we are 9 days out. Here's Liam. He is just hanging out. So right here we've got all of our stuff. Our first one is a bunch of granola bars. Yeah. And then our second one is just Garden of Life, peanut butter, a bunch of like stuff that we can use. Oops. Stuff that we use to like make nut mixes, or some organic Cheerios, but they're going in the trash because we're a family of allergies. Bottom shelf. This is all extra teas, coconut milk, psyllium husks. Right here we have our poor almond milk we haven't been drinking. Tons and tons of oils, extra beans, more cooking oils, and our spices. What's in our freezer? Does anybody want to know what's in our freezer? Okay, so we've got our links, our sausages, and then vegetables right here, ice pods. Hey guys, so here's our freezer. It's very bare. We have meats on top and we have coconut chips on the bottom. It's all frozen. Those coconut chips were when I thought that I really needed them when Liam was smaller. I thought he was going to use them for teething, but obviously we've only used one or two pieces. What else is in there is a handful of frozen vegetables, meats, and fish, and that right there is a total impulse buy. So right here we just have a handful of condiments, even blue agave syrups because we can't eat honey. As you can see, we are filled to the top with coconut water and we have just a bunch of juices, but I am just laughing in the background there because all we literally have is just a couple racks of lettuce juicer juice that I made, and that's about it. Here I'm showing you some carrot, broccoli, smoothie apple sauce things that Liam used to like. He doesn't like them anymore. He prefers to eat regular food just like us. So whatever we eat, we usually just make a little side dish or we just share with Liam, and that seems to fill him up. Eggs, so I can make some eggs for Liam. That's about it, guys. Thanks for going through my fridge. Hey everybody, so it is 8 days out till Chris leaves and things are getting super intense. Chris is sleeping. We got up at 5, started to clean, and the house is just getting like put together because Chris wants to do things in the garage, but we tried that earlier, so we'll see what happens. But right now I gotta make him some eggs because he's very demanding. So, plus it would be nice to give him breakfast in bed again. So that's what we're doing. And then we're putting this room together. Last night and 2 nights prior to that, the neighbors, both neighbors actually, have had their porch lights on, and it just like is so damn bright because it's a porch light and it goes through to our house, so like we can see the light all the way to our bedrooms. So just kind of like, what the hell? But so we gotta go do that. I didn't film any cleaning, guys, because you guys have seen my kitchen. It's boring, and you know, cleaning pots and pans and the oven and sweeping is not stuff that you probably want to see, you know, to this countdown. So it's just been like a lot of kind of cleaning and playing with Liam before Chris leaves. So, all right. This morning I made Chris a garlic, onion, spinach omelet. I'm mixing it all together, but I know I shouldn't be. But yeah, I can just put it on the stovetop, and Chris really likes this breakfast. Hey y'all, so we just unloaded our second load. We're taking it to my grandmother's. She is going to be dropping off all this baby stuff to the mothers that decide that they don't want abortions anymore. So there's an actual special place that you take stuff to. So we just like did a U-Haul, and now we're gonna do a third U-Haul because we have more babies things.
Oh, what a big boy!
Load up! It's time to go.
With the steering wheel. What was that? It scared him. What was that? Don't teach him that button, though.
No, not right now.
Say, yeah, hop in. Let's go for a ride. Getting hot now.
Yeah, I just took his sweater off, took mine off.
We're cranking. We're getting some stuff done, Liam. We're getting some stuff done, little guy. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. You're riding a motorcycle. Look at you.
Yahoo!
No, don't grab Daddy. Hang on. You got this. Grip your handles. Let's go. We're going. Whee! Yeah.
Want me to open it and we can go around? Come on, Mommy, open up.
Whoa, you're doing it.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Look at you go. Whoa. Okay, can you grab him now?
Yeah. Look up. First. Okay.
175 watts. Now you can hear that Charlotte is breathing more strenuously. He's no longer able to get enough oxygen for the muscle needs. And at the same time we can see Mitch, who's pedaling at exactly the same wattage. And he's still breathing really quite comfortably.
That's because as an elite athlete, Mitch's heart, which is a muscle after all, is far stronger than lung and able to deliver oxygen via the bloodstream much more efficiently than the heart of an everyday cyclist like me.
Keep it going, you're doing really well.
You gonna do it?
Ready, Baba?
Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna let go?
Arms down. Arms up. Arms down.
I'm going to take this.
Again?
Yes.
Hold up. Did you hear that?
Oh my gosh, it's again.
Yes.
Let's just go back and
Hey guys, so it is Monday, October 29th, and it's 1 o'clock to 1:10, 1:15, and Liam was standing up for Grandma in the playpen for the first time, like for a few seconds, like he would stand up and then he would like look at us and then look at Grandma, make sure Grandma was looking, and then just like let go and like stand. It was awesome, so very cool.